So learning from that 3M example, what I think organizations need to do is really put skin in the game for leaders to innovate. And what I mean by that is not just hitting your financial targets, but how do you hit those financial targets? Because people like to do what they've always been doing. They just want to do what they've always been doing better. And commercial leaders will quite often sell more of what they've already been selling. The problem is that mindset really gets in the way of doing new things and selling and creating new products and services. So there needs to be an incentive to have fresh revenue from fresh sources. How does a company do that? There's several ways they can approach that, but that is the underlying thinking that the topmost leadership needs to get in place to really put together the right environment and motivation for innovation.